That's what it feels like. Oh, thank you. When that wind start blowing, we need to be having a different conversation. 2:30, won't you meet me by the bean? What he said?
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait?
All right. Being in the sun is a lot better. The Art Institute of Chicago. Is this even where the hell I'm supposed to be going? Yeah, okay. Wait. Michigan. This Michigan or that's Michigan? This like Jackson. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, this way, wrong way. Okay. We back on track. We gotta go down for quite some time. And then basically we'll run into it. So in the sun, it feels better. I want to go the other way. Literally, I'm gonna have to drink me some fucking hot tea. Get me some I'm gonna have to wear my thermals. It's too fucking cold out here. I'm gonna have to go get me a scarf and some gloves. I don't feel like I need no jacket. My arms and the top of my body, I feel perfectly fine. It's literally my face is what's cold. I need a damn push ice mask. Maybe not in Chicago. Maybe not anywhere, but that's what it feels like. Oh, thank you. And like literally the city is just like beautiful. Like all of the architecture here. And if y'all don't know, I'm actually quite honestly a little nerd and a little geek. And I do love architecture. That was the first thing I became interested in when I started photography, was like skylands, landscape, and architecture was some of the first things I was ever interested in. And so now, like it's like my favorite part of traveling. Like some people say that it's just like sightseeing, but I don't know, for me, it's a whole lot more than that. It's just like watching to see what somebody built and how they turned it into something. It's just so pretty to me. But nonetheless, because the view is ugly from this direction, I'm gonna turn y'all off till I get closer to the beam. I'm 4 minutes away, so it's not long. 16 minutes, I could do this. Like I said, I knew I could. I knew I could do a walk under 20 minutes. Now, had it felt good, this would be so much easier on me. It's only difficult because it's fucking cold. My face is cold. Like, even my legs are fine. My feet not cold. I guess because I'm moving them. But yeah, ooh. Okay. Let me come sneak up in here. Talking about their garden is closed. Your garden is damn beautiful. I don't know why when I turn this thing around, it gets so off track. But literally, so pretty. Just looking at the garden. I don't know if I could exit the other way, so I'm gonna just go back out same way I came. I'm gonna turn y'all off. Y'all have extra batteries, but I'm finna go and swap y'all and turn y'all off. Here's their park. And I think it might be other stuff over here too. The bean is just on down. Whenever I can get out on the other side. I just want to see what's up here. Oh wow. Ain't nothing really up here. Honestly, just stuff. It's nice though. Who is that lady face, y'all? That she taking a picture in front of. Who that lady is? Oh, lost the ring. That mean I need to get from over here. I'm gonna sit for a second. Turn y'all where the light at. Sit for just a second. Cause the wind ain't blowing and it's not super cold. When the wind ain't blowing, I'm perfectly freaking fine. When that wind start blowing, we need to be having a different conversation. Oh, I'm blind. I should put these on, huh? Probably. Hey, Chicago. It is so beautiful here. Their architecture is really inspiring. I don't know. It's just something about a new city skyline gonna eat it up every single time. Yeah. So let's see. Can we get that picture? Oh my gosh, my fingers. So, again, we're not far from the Bean. It's 12:21. We gotta be at Egg Tuck at 12:30. So we're literally just gonna pass by the Bean. I'm gonna try to see if some people over there, see if somebody will take my picture. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I have a trauma, like not a trauma, but I have a fear that you ask the stranger to take your picture, they're gonna snatch your phone and duck off on your ass. I don't know. I'm gonna get them to take it with my ugly phone. I'm scared. I don't want nobody to do that to me. $22. Gotta be at Egg Tuck in like a couple minutes. So I'm just gonna go over there, do my little quick pictures, and go on. Cause like I said, I'll probably be back to do more pictures at the Bean with my girls. And to do my videos, cause I don't have my tripod or nobody to hold my camera. But I don't want to not get nothing just cause I don't have nobody with me. Like, God forbid, you know, I'm this close. And just God forbid it don't happen, then what? Then what? Literally. Then what? So, screenshot. Okay. So, I figured out a way. I'm trying to make sure I get it to the point where you can tell it's a goddamn bean. Okay. And there are gonna be other people in my picture regardless. It's okay. $2.30, won't you meet me by the Bean? What he said? $2.30, won't you meet me by the Bean? Blow me kisses, oh. Let me do my pictures. Literally at the Bean. Okay, let's get close and take our selfie, and then we gotta go. Well, I don't see myself. Oh, slow. Look, guys. Sorry, was I in your glared in your picture? Cool. Literally nobody. And then I want to do one like this. 2:30. Period. Let's see. Coral beans. I was trying to eye contact with somebody and be like, hey, can you take my picture? Let's see. Let's go all the way under. Hold on. That is crazy. I can't even get my camera right. Hold on. Look at that. Okay, I'll let y'all face me since my camera. Ah, look at that. Oh my gosh. We're under the bean. Wait, can y'all see me? I can't even barely see me. That's insane. Look at that, under the beam. 2:30, can you meet me by? That is crazy. Okay. We got to get going. The bean is pretty, the bean is cute, but we got to get the egg took now because we're going to be late. Because I'm walking on foot. Like a little hobo. So yeah, let's get going.
Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.